Hey friends, if the airplane mode is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. Now the airplane mode is very important and it is usually available in the system tray. If not, you can always add this option. But if it ceases to work, then you can also access it using Windows settings. Now how? So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the internet, network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, we have this option for airplane mode. You can enable or disable using this switch here. The second solution is to update the network drivers because the network drivers are the ones which manage the airplane mode. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Now expand the list of network adapter drivers. Right click on the Intel Wireless AC1, select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. The third solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter, click on run. The last solution is to restart the radio management service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the service manager window. Now we'll have to go to the radio management service. So scroll down and the list is in alphabetical order, so it will be easy to find the radio management service, and right click on the radio management service and select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.